In this video, I'll show you how to summarize YouTube videos using Claude AI. First, go to the Claude website and log into your account. Next, open the YouTube video you want to summarize. Now, instead of just copying the link, click on the three dots below the video and select Show Transcript. Copy the full transcript from YouTube. Go back to Claude and paste the transcript into the chat. Now, type your prompt. For example, I might type, "Summarize this transcript into key points." After that, send the message and wait a few seconds while Claude processes the text. You'll then see a clear summary of the video, including the main ideas and important points. If you want to improve the result, you can ask Claude to change the format. For example, I might type, "Turn this into bullet points," or "Make it shorter and simpler." You can also ask it to highlight key takeaways or create a step-by-step breakdown. Finally, test this with different videos like tutorials, interviews, or lectures to see how well it performs. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.